Good day students. Today we perform our experiment number 4, electronics measurement and instrumentation. The experiment is to measure the unknown frequency by using Lissajous pattern. The apparatus requires one CRO, two function generator, two probes. The Lissajous pattern is generally stand for to measure phase angle and frequency. By using this experiment, we measure only the frequency. The formula for measure the frequency is Fy by Fx is equal to number of horizontal tangent by number of vertical tangent. The formula of unknown frequency is equal to number of horizontal tangent by number of vertical tangent into unknown frequency. So now we perform this experiment by using CRO. Let's go. We start our experiment by using CRO. We supply the CRO. This is stands for cathode ray oscilloscope. So power on by this switch. You look at the both side. We do not apply any sinusoidal signal FI input. This is created by the internal electronics beams. So we press the XY mode. Now this electronics beam is converted into a small point. So we arrange this by X mode to middle point. Then we connect the one function generator to channel 1. Channel 1 is stand for Y. So now we on the function generator supply. Now you look at this. This is so that this is stands for only Y channel. So now we connect the channel 2 with another function generator. Channel 2 is stands for X. Now we on the power of second function generator. Now you look at the picture. This is the Lissajous pattern. Now we measure the Lissajous pattern by converting. Look at this bottom is stands for frequency. Now the frequency is 82 Hz. So we take this frequency to 100, approximate 100 or matlab 1 kilohertz. Now we go to second function generator. Now this is also a 85 Hz. We apply the frequency of 100 Hz. By this frequency variable bottom, we change our frequency. Now look at the picture. This picture is happened only in this case when the both frequency is equal. Now look at this frequency. This frequency also a 106 Hz, and now look this frequency. This is also a 106 Hz. So the tangent cut horizontally is 1, vertically also 1. Now we change only the frequency of Y channel. Means we into 2. So we change into 2 kilohertz. Now look at the picture. This is happened vertically cuts 1 tangent and horizontally cut 2 tangent, because we change the frequency of Y channel. So this is horizontally cut 2 tangent and vertically 1. Now we change the frequency variable of X. Now we change the x value into 3 kilohertz. We take the frequency of x is 3 kilohertz. Okay, now look at the picture. Now this is stands in the external frequency is 300 Hz. Now look at the CRO. This is cut vertically 3 tangent and horizontally 1 tangent, because we change the frequency of external. So this is vertically cut 3 tangent but horizontally cut 1 tangent. Now come to the formula. In our first figure we see that the tangent horizontally cut 1 tangent and vertically cut 1 tangent. So our formula is Fy by Fx, the number of horizontal tangent by number of vertical tangent. So 1 by 1. Our unknown frequency formula is Fy by Fx into known frequency. So we apply known frequency as 1 kilohertz. So now 1 by 1 into 1000 Hz is equal to 1 kilohertz या फिर 1000 Hz. This is our first figure case. In our second figure case, we see that the horizontally cut tangent is 2 and vertically cut tangent number is 1. So unknown frequency is equal to 2 by 1 into known frequency. The known frequency is 1 kilohertz. So we write down here 1000 Hz. So is the our known frequency is 2000 Hz. That means 2 kilohertz. So this is your Lissajous pattern. By this way we measure the unknown frequency by knowing the known frequency.